Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our quote of the day today is "After every dark night comes a brighter day" by Tupac Shakur. Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020, and our I can statement is I can order real numbers from least to greatest and greatest to least. Now, today we are going to be doing full-blown 8th grade math. All right? So we're going to be trying these problems where there's going to be multiple steps, but you got this. So this first one says, Miss King wanted a new rug, so she calculated the area of 4 different rugs. The area of the 4 rugs are shown below. Which list shows the rugs in ascending order? So we're going to need to reference our vocabulary, okay, if you don't know what that word ascending means. Because yesterday's assignment, we talked about how ascending means this and descending means that, okay? Okay. My one hint to you is that it's like a plane. Planes ascend and then they descend. All right. Make sure you use your vocabulary resource to find out what ascending means. If you still have questions, be sure to come to class or message me. But anyway, we need to put them in ascending order. And so we have a circular rug, an oval rug, a square rug, and a rectangular rug. Now, underneath it, we have our place value boxes. And we're going to have to calculate the area of the circular rug by doing 5 times pi. Then we're going to input our number here. We're going to do the same for the oval rug, which has 15 over 2. Then we have 2 for the square rug and 15 for the rectangular rug. Keep in mind that are these M2s on the side? That's actually read as M squared, and that's just the unit. Okay, so this is 5 pi meters squared. So don't worry about the M squared at the end. But normally units matter a lot, and sometimes the question will have units in it, and you need to make sure the units line up. But in this case, it just wants us to figure out which one goes first. So, as an example of the first one, 5 pi, I'm going to go to Desmos, and I'll bring you over here with me. Boom. All right. I go to Desmos, and I'm going to type in 5 pi, because our first option for the first rug was 5 pi. So 5 times pi gives me 15.7079632,679. But as we know, we only need the first, what's before the decimal, and then 3 values after. So in this case, 15.707. And for our purposes, we're not rounding. So, and I'm going to go back over here. This first circular rug was 15, so I'm going to type in a 1, tab over, replace that with 15, or 5.770. Alright, now I'm going to do the same for 15 over 2. I go back to my calculator, and I'm going to type in 15 divided by 2. So 15 divided by 2, that's a fraction. 15 over 2, which is 7.5, or 7.5. So this one would be 7.5, and then we have 0, 0 to fill in. This one is clearly 2. Fill in with my blanks. And our last one is 15. Now, which list shows the rugs in ascending order? If you made it this far in the video, I guess you deserve to know. I'll just tell you, because most people don't watch these videos, so I'm going to go ahead and hook you up. Ascending means least to greatest. A plane ascends into the sky, and then it descends to land. So when we go ascending, we go least to greatest. So which one of these values is the smallest? Was it the circular, the oval, the square, or the rectangle? Hopefully you would tell me the square rug. Okay? Now I'm going to look at my options, A, B, C, and D. The only one that starts with square rug is C. So our answer is C. That's it. We're done with that side. And now we come up here and do similar. Mr. Rodriguez lists some fractions on the board. Which list of fractions is correctly ordered from the least value to the greatest. It should say value. So here you're going to need to convert all of these. All right. But if you look at the numbers, they're all the same. All right. So you only need to convert them once. Then it's just a matter of putting them in the correct order. So do that with your Desmos calculator, convert them correctly, and then type your answer there. Here on slide 4, it says which point on the number line best represents negative square root 7 over 3. I put a little place value box there for you to convert what that is. Now with this one, you're going to have to use parentheses. So I want to show you that on the Desmos calculator. So I'm going to type in negative parenthesis square root of 7. Then I'm going to press over once and close my parentheses. Then I press the divided sign and then 3. All right, you'll see I get negative 0.8819. So now I'm going to do another one to show you what a lot of students are going to do wrong because they didn't watch this video. Right? They're going to do negative square root 7 divided by 3. And you'll notice the answers are totally different. This is how all your teachers are going to be able to tell you instantly if you followed our instruction. They don't even look the same. This is taking the negative square root of the entire fraction. This one is doing negative square root of 7 and then dividing that by 3. There is a very important difference. As you see, the answers are significantly different. Okay? So now I'm going to go back to our main assignment because I'm going to delete this one. We need this one right here, negative 0.8819. I'm going to come back over here. All right? And I'm going to type that in. Negative 0.88, and it was 19. So which one on the number line is closest to negative 0.8? Well, considering we're not even at negative 1, the answer has to be D. Okay? But again, only those of you who watch this video got that. And the fifth one. Remember this one? Same as so similar to slide 3. You got this. You'll notice that our place value boxes are smaller, so your answers should be smaller. Okay? Work this out. Get her done. All right? Proud of y'all. Have a great day. See you in class hopefully, but if not, do the right thing. Okay? Take care, guys. Hasta luego.